50 sentences using the word against.
The cat leaned against the wall.
The soccer team played against another team.
The wind blew against the trees.
They stood together against the rain.
The dog sat against the door.
The soldier protected us against danger.
She defended her friend against teasing.
The vote was split for and against ice cream. The fence guards the garden against animals.
She stood up against teasing.
The team played well against the other team.
The shield protected the knight against the dragon.
He's racing against his friend.
The debate is about cats and dogs, for and against.
The policy goes against sharing toys.
The attorney fought in court against a fine.
The chess pieces move against each other.
She had to say no against bad behavior.
The vaccine guards us against sickness.
The soccer player defends the goal against shots.
The city builds walls against floods.
The campaign is against pollution.
The cat scratched its claws against the post.
The superhero fights against villains.
The dog barks loudly against strangers.
The boxer punches against his opponent.
She speaks out against unfair rules.
The company stands up against bullies.
The police act against bad guys.
The government imposes rules against littering.
He talks loudly against the noise.
The sailboat sails against the wind.
She filed a report against litter.
The medicine works against allergies.
The athlete runs against others.
The lawyer argues against a fine.
The detective looks for clues against a thief.
The jury decides for or against the cat.
The team plays well against the other team.
The teacher says no against cheating.
She campaigns against pollution.
The debate is about ice cream, for and against. The army fights against danger.
He says no against too much candy.
The advice is against staying up too late.
The environmentalists protest against pollution.
The restaurant follows rules against health issues.
The inventor creates things against problems.
The athlete plays against strong opponents.
If you want more, subscribe. See my other movies.